Good morning, pupils. How are you? You're welcome to another agricultural science class. I'm teacher Victoria. Today, we'll be looking at a topic called the uses of farm animals. The uses of farm animals. Our last topic for this lesson was types of farm animals. Farm animals. And we define farm animals as animals that are kept by man. We also say that another name for farm animals is domestic animals. We looked at the types of farm animals. We said chicken, that's hen, goat, cow, rabbit, sheep, horse, camel, and so on and so forth. We also look at the homes of these animals. We say that the pigs are kept in pens, the rabbits are kept in hutches, the guinea pigs are kept in cages, and local fowls are kept in coops or cages. Today, we are going to look at uses of farm animals. Uses of farm animals. Listen attentively. Farm animals are useful to man in many ways. Some of them include, number one, farm animals provide food for man. Number one, farm animals provide food for man. That is, they are a source of protein in a diet. They are a source of protein in a diet. For example, pigs provide pork meat, while the cattle provide beef. Farm animals also provide income for farmers when they are sold. That's number two. Farm animals provide income for farmers when they are sold. Number three, they provide raw materials for industries in making different useful materials like bags, belts, shoes, and so on and so forth. Number four, farm animals provide employment for people. Farm animals provide employment for people like the veterinary doctors, those that treat animals, those that sells animals. That is, farm animals provide employment for people. Number five, they are also used for tilling the soil. Like the cow can be used to till the soil. So, farm animals are also used for tilling the soil. Number six, the animal dungs, that is the manure. The animal dungs, the poo they pull out, is used as manure. When added to the soil, it improves soil fertility. The animal dungs, the poo the animals poo, are known as manure. They are used as manure, and when they are added to the soil, they improve soil fertility. Looking at our today's lesson from the beginning, we say our topic today is common uses of farm animals. Uses of farm animals. We say farm animals are useful to man in many ways. And some of these ways include, number one, farm animals provide food for man. That is, they are a source of protein in our diet. For example, pigs provide pork, and while cattle provide beef. Number two, we say farm animals also provide income for farmers when they are sold. They provide money for farmers when they are sold in the market. We say number 3, they provide raw materials for industries. That is, the skin of farm animals can be used as raw materials for industry in making different useful materials like our bags, the belts we use, our shoes, and so on and so forth. Number 4, we say farm animals provide employment for people. Farm animals provide employment for people. Number 5, we say they are also used for tilling the soil. Farm animals can be used for tilling the soil. And number 6, we say that animal dungs, manure, the poo of animals, when added to the soil, improves soil fertility. All right, peoples, we've come to the end of today's class. Okay, your homework. Number one homework. Mention 5 uses of farm animals. Your homework, number 1. Mention 5 uses of farm animals. You do well to submit your assignments in time. Read your book always and do all your assignments. Be good pupils at home. If you have any question concerning the topic, the subject, the school, or you want to get any information, do well to contact me via my WhatsApp number. Stay blessed. I love you.